Hello students, today we are going to start with the lesson number 6, causative verbs, have, get, make and let. We are going to understand these 4 causative verbs. Now what are causative verbs? Causative verbs convey that someone causes someone else to perform an action. They help establish a causal relationship between the participants in the sentence. Now let us see the example. They had the food delivered to them in the office. Now they had the food delivered to them. Here someone has caused someone else to perform an action. The subject is not directly performing the action, but the subject is making someone else to perform the action for someone else. Let us start question number 1. Meera recounts a day in her life in the form of a diary entry. Underline the task that she had someone else do for her. Now here we are given one diary entry and we have to underline the task which she has made done by someone else. I got up very early today and started my day with a glass of water. I bathed before waking the kids up. I had Ankit prepare breakfast. So I had Ankit prepare breakfast. The subject is not performing the action. She is making Ankit prepare the breakfast. She is making Ankit perform the action. While I helped the kids get ready for school, we usually get my dad to drop them. So here again the same. At school, but since she was not feeling well today, I dropped them on my way to work. At work, I had the new interns prepare the presentations. Now, here also, the subject is not performing the action. The subject is making the interns perform the action. For an important meeting, before the lunch break, I got Srishti to order lunch for the entire team. Here again the subject is not performing the action. The subject is asking Srishti to perform the action to celebrate her recent promotion. Then my manager let me take the afternoon off since I had worked overtime last Saturday. I went home and spent the day with my family. We watched a movie and had a biryani for dinner. Meera. Understood, students? Now, question number 2. Underline the causative verbs in the following sentences. A. My mother made me clean my room. Made. B. Sunita got her hair cut last Wednesday. Got. C. Joe always makes me buy him food. Makes. D. Sachin Tendulkar let the fans take pictures with him. Let. Understood, students? In the same way, you have to complete from E to H in homework. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks using the appropriate form of verbs given in the brackets. A. She got her cousins to go on the trip. B. Does the head nurse let you take leaves? C. I let him play with the newborn puppies. D. We had our mothers meet each other. So we have to use the correct form of the verb which is given in the bracket, which we have already learnt in the tenses. So students, from E to H you have to complete in your homework. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks using either let or make in its different forms. A. Fahad blank his children watch a video about their native place. Made. B. Will they let me accompany you to the program? C. They made her sign a contract before lending the money. D. Does the school let students join in the middle of a year? So students, you have to use make or let in the proper form to complete the sentence. So you have to complete from E to H in homework. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks using suitable causative verbs. We have to use any causative verbs which is suitable. The librarian let Ahana return the book even though it was past 5:30 p.m. B. You can't make him change his mind. He is really stubborn. C. Meena had her project bound yesterday. D. I had Harshit redecorate the entire house before moving in. So students, in this way you have to use different causative forms in these sentences to complete it. From E to H you have to do in homework. Now question number 6. Rewrite the following sentences using the different forms of have, make, get and let. One has been done for you. Write in notebook. You have to write this exercise in the notebook. You have to use all these verbs which are given. A. The dean allowed my parents to stay with me in the hostel for a night. So, the dean let my parents stay with me in the hostel for a night. We have conveyed the action of allowing with let. B. Jaya arranged for a tutor to teach her kids every day. Now Jaya has a tutor to teach her kids come every day. C. Rakib compelled me to take the bus back home. Rakib made me will cut 2 from here, take the bus back home. D. Shlok was left with no choice but to wait for an hour for Alhida. So here we will cut this part and instead of this we'll use had. Shlok had to wait for an hour for Alhida. Understood students? So from E to H you have to do in your home. Question number 7. Identify the errors and rewrite the following sentences correctly. One has been done for you. Write in notebook. You have to write this exercise in notebook. A. Make her say what she wants. We will replace make with let. Let her say what she wants. B. They are making their fence painted white. It will not be making, it will be getting. So, they are getting their fence painted white. C. He gets the children play in the courtyard for some time. He lets the children play in the courtyard for some time. D. I make the dogs taken out for a walk twice every day. I have the dogs taken out for a walk twice every day. So students, from E to H you have to complete in homework.